Good morning, students, and welcome to today's class, English class. And as you all know that we have already doing topics from our vocabulary in our previous classes. Now we'll continue with another new topic, that is choose the correct word. Now, as the name title itself suggests that you have to choose the correct word, and when you have to choose something, that means you have choices given in front of you. That is, you have so many options. You can consider the option and you can choose which you find is the best suitable correct word for that particular place. Now, in this exercise, there will always be a question sentence given to you. That is, आपका question क्या होगा कि आपको एक sentence दिया जाएगा. In that sentence, there will be a blank, एक खाली जगह रिक्त स्थान होगा. In front of them, either in bracket, minimum 2 or more than 2 options will be given. Now, from that options, you have to see, you have to consider that which is the correct word and आपको उनको उन्हीं से fill करना है. Now, these kind of sentences, it can be any kind of sentence with any kind of choices. It's up to you that how logically you consider the given words and how logically and how in a such correct manner you opt for the right answer. So see, we have some examples over here, that is select the correct answer. Okay, dash we had got over the surprise. Now, what we had got over the surprise, when we had got over the surprise, या many we had, या most we had. So the correct answer is when we had got over the surprise. तो हम आगे का कुछ और सोच पाए होंगे. Now second sentence is dash of the Germans was waving a bottle above his head. Dash of the Germans, that is two of the Germans, long of the Germans, many of the Germans, or one of the Germans. It's one of the Germans. So the answer is one of the Germans. Then the lady was sitting in a wheelchair, her hands dashed in her lap. Lady कहाँ थी? She was sitting in a wheelchair and her hands were dashed in her lap. So hands किस position में थे? The hands fold, the hands putting, the hands like, or the hands folded. It's obviously the answer is the hands folded. She was gazing out at the dash. Now she was gazing out at what? She was gazing out at window. She was gazing out at the lawn, at the these, or at the garden. Obviously from the window and at the garden. She was looking out from the window and at the garden. So the answer is at the garden. So this way you have to analyze the things and you have to reach to the correct answers that you can get. Now see another उसी exercise का next part देखिए. Now these are not solved. These we will solve randomly जब भी हम अब यहाँ पढ़ेंगे. These stories are dash from the Andaman. These stories, ये जो stories हैं ये क्या है? These are from Andaman. ये कहाँ से? These are easy from, these are completed, these are dinner, or these are all from Andaman. These are all from Andaman. They can sense and dash disaster. वो लोग disaster को sense कर पा रहे थे. What kind of disaster? Approached, जो already approached है, आप कैसे sense करोगे? Approaches, how is it possible? Approaching अभी continue में होगा. That is approach. ये होगा नहीं. They can sense the approaching. जो आने वाला है उनके पास में disaster, they are going to sense it. 60 visitors were dash from the Patangala beach. 60 visitors were dash Patangala beach से जा चुके थे. Flow, washes, washed या washed away. 60 visitors were washed away because were आ रहा है, that means we are talking about past, so it's washed away. Now we have some become dash of foreigners. Now we have become what? We have become the slavery. No, it's an activity. We have become the slave या we have become the slaves. What we have become? हम लोग क्या बन गए हैं उनका? क्या हम उनकी स्लेवरी बन गए हैं? क्या हम उनके स्लेव्स बन गए हैं या हम उनके स्लेव बन गए हैं? हम लोग उनके स्लेव्स बन गए हैं. तो C is going to be the correct answer. Mother Ganga, this is my last dash to you. Mother Ganga, ये मेरी आपके लिए last क्या है? We always offer something. So this is my word. So is आ रहा है, so it's going to be continuous. So this is my last offering to you. तो ये मेरी क्या है? Offering. At last they decided to test each other's dash. At last उन्होंने क्या decide किया? That they are going to test each other's what? they are going to test each other's strength, they are going to test each other's strong, each other's straight और each other's strength. वो एक दूसरे की क्या टेस्ट करने वाले थे? Strength. So the answer is strength. Okay. Now see the next exercise. छोटी सी है. There are just 11 questions in this exercise and see to it. Same here, fill in the blank with the correct word given in the bracket. You have 2 words in the bracket and you have to opt for the correct one. Now see, this restaurant has a dash for good food. This restaurant has a reputation. हमारी reputation होती है किसी चीज के लिए, तो reputation is the right answer. Lamp was dash in the house. So was आ रहा, that means कोई ना कोई ing साथ में आएगा. So it's shining in the house. He stopped under a cool and dash tree. He stopped under a cool and shady tree. Shaded नहीं, shady tree. Because shade जो है वो continuous देता रहता है, तो shady tree. It's the quality of that tree. If they find me dash asleep, they throw stones at me. If they find me peacefully asleep, अगर वो मुझे ढंग से सोते देखेंगे ना शांति से, they are going to throw stones at me definitely. So peacefully asleep. There was a big dash at the zoo. There was a big rush at the zoo. Rush nahi. There was a big rush. That is lots of people at the zoo. Indians are proud of their what? Civilized, their civilization. From the word itself, it's clear civilization. The telephone is a wonderful invent or invention. The telephone is a wonderful invention. The king thought of a dash to make them do their work themselves. The king thought of a dash, thought of a plan to make them do their work themselves. किस लिए? So that make them do their work themselves. Everybody dash passes by the huge stone. Everybody carefully passes by the huge stone. So यहाँ पे careful नहीं, the answer is carefully. Chittorgarh is famous for its dash fort. Chittorgarh is famous for its historical fort या history fort. Is famous for its historical fort. चीजें जो हिस्ट्री में अपनी जगह बना लेती हैं, दे आर हिस्टोरिकल. सो फोर्ट्स अपने आप में दे आर द हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस. सो हिस्टोरिकल फोर्ट. आई हैव टेकन डैश टू क्लास 8. आई हैव टेकन एडमिटेड. नो, वी ऑलवेज टेक एडमिशन समवेयर. सो आई हैव टेकन एडमिशन टू क्लास 8. So this way you can see that you have a sentence with one blank and you have a bracket along with some options. और random आपके पास 3 to 4 options हैं. वहां पे minimum you will get 2, because when you choose something, minimum choices between 2, maximum कितनी भी हो सकती है. You have to choose the correct word and you have to fill the blank. So go through the topic. I think it's quite interesting and आपको मजा आया होगा इसको पढ़ के. Do it. The exercise will be sent to you. Solve it. You will have fun and you will enjoy doing this section. Okay? Chalo, that's all for today's class. Now we'll be meeting tomorrow with a new topic. Till then, take care of yourself and keep studying.